Welcome, students, in a texture buttons lecture. So, in a lecture about textured buttons. And let me show you which node you will use for this. Just write textured, and when you find texture button, this control we need, so this node. Texture-based button supports preset, hover, disabled and focused states. So we will create it. This button can be somewhere here. And we have options in inspector window to set textures. Normal texture will be some of these textures. PNG images for this texture you will find in a recess folder of this video material. We will use this image, or you can create image by yourself. We will change something about scaling. Let me try with 0.3. If this is okay, 0.3. It's maybe good, maybe not good. Let me try with something more bigger. 45, not bad. We will add another colored rectangular in our canvas layer here. So just select in a recent micro window you can find colored rectangular, and this rectangular will go somewhere here, but we need to put it properly under the other rectangulars, for example on a second position. You can select color you like. For this I think this will be just for a purpose of testing. Okay, and we also have our button here. One other thing in this texture button, you can change texture images for different states. For example, when button is hovered, we will use maybe this, but I think this check image can be white, but okay for now. For testing purposes, okay. And let me show you this. Now you have texture button. He work on hover. You don't need to add any code. Just with a change of image you will get this. And this will be our button for turns or some kind of periods. So we will add one label, and for this label we will create new theme, and under the new theme we will only change default fonts. Because we use this architect daughter 32, we will use it again. Maybe some changes can be made here with some kind of text. For example, period, just for the purpose of testing. I need to close this theme window to see period 0 2. We will put this somewhere here. Theme, rectangular, scale, okay. We can put it something like this. Alignment center, vertical alignment center. Test time. So let me see how this looks. This is okay. This is okay because this will be turn-based games. We will have turns. When you click on this button, you will get turns, and we will change image for hovering. Also, we can add some image when action points for a next turn are spent. This can be a good idea. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. And we will see each other in the next video lecture. Goodbye.